Hi, if you wanna remove SIM card from Galaxy S25, then as a first step, you need to take this tool, which is called Ejector, and goes in a complete with the device. But if you lost it, don't worry, this is really cheap tool. You can find it almost everywhere, or instead of this one, you can try to use a needle, but be careful because you may damage the slot. Now, we need to take a look at the bottom part of the phone. Here we'll find this SIM tray, and to open it, take your ejector pin and place in this hole, like that. Slightly press till the slot will pop up, and take it out using your nails. Also, you will receive this information to check SIM card tray. And now your SIM card will automatically fall out, or you can just flip it like that. And now the SIM tray is empty, so we can just put it back in the phone in the right position so those holes would match, like that, and close it completely. And after that, we can also go in settings. In here, find connections, then SIM manager. And now we should see this information, no SIM card. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.